Mastering first conditional questions. Let's chat with if. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the fascinating world of English grammar. Our topic of the day is first conditional in questions, and more specifically, how to answer questions using the first conditional. Let's get started. Before we jump into answering first conditional questions, let's recap what a first conditional sentence is. The first conditional is used to express situations that are likely or possible to happen in the future. A first conditional question simply puts that sentence in a question form. It's typically structured like this. If, present simple clause, will, base form of verb. For example, if it rains, will you take an umbrella? When responding to first conditional questions, there are two main ways: agreeing, yes, or disagreeing, no. Agreeing, the response begins with yes, followed by the subject and will. For example, the answer to, if it rains, will you take an umbrella? Could be, yes, I will. Disagreeing, the response starts with no, followed by the subject and won't, will not. For instance, no, I won't. While a simple yes, I will, or no, I won't, is technically correct, it often lacks depth. By providing more information, your English will sound more natural and fluent. For example, you could say, if it rains, yes, I will take an umbrella because I don't want to get wet. Or, if it rains, no, I won't take an umbrella because I like walking in the rain. Now it's your turn. The key to mastering English is practice, practice, and more practice. Try formulating answers to these questions. If the sun shines, will you go to the beach? If the test is hard, will you study more? Remember to give detailed answers. And that's a wrap on answering first conditional questions. Remember, the first conditional is a great tool for discussing possible future situations. With practice, you'll soon be handling these questions like a pro. We hope this video has been helpful and has made your English learning journey a bit easier. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.